Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my assorted meat pepper soup. This recipe is very easy and delicious. Pepper soup is perfect for the cold weather or anytime you're in the mood for it. If you want to know how I cook it, please keep watching. I'm going to use liver, shaki, some beef, roundabout and a body. You can use any assorted meat of your choice. I'm also going to use onions, yellow Scotch bonnet pepper and garlic, which I will blend. I'm also going to be using some salt. I will add some pepper soup spice, as well as stock cubes and Cameroon pepper for an extra kick. I'm going to use crayfish and then scent leaves finally. So first I'm going to cook my meat, but I will not include the liver yet because it takes less time to cook and I don't want it to be too soft. So I'll season with salt, stock cubes and the blended Scotch bonnet peppers, onions and garlic. I wouldn't add any water yet because I want it to release its own juice. If you're an OG on this channel, you know that we don't add water at this point. So I'll cover it up and let it cook for a short while. So it's been cooking for 10 minutes, it has released its own juice, it's very good for the flavor. At this point, I'll add the liver and then I'll add enough water to cook the meat and then for the pepper soup. I'm also going to add the crayfish, my Cameroon pepper for that extra spice. Guys, it's called pepper soup for a reason. You need the extra kick. I'm also going to add my pepper soup spice and give it a good mix. It is the pepper soup spice that gives it that pepper soup color, right? So I'll just taste at this point as well and check for salt. I thought mine needed a little more salt, so I added some salt and then a little more water. So now I'm going to let it cook for about 15 minutes or till when your meat is tender. I'm now prepping my vegetables, the scent leaves. I'm just cutting it into tiny bits. You do not need a lot. I already washed the vegetables, by the way. So my pepper soup is looking good. It also tastes delicious. Sometimes I wonder why I do not cook pepper soup often, because it is so simple. The next thing I'm going to add is my scent leaves and I'll let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes and the pepper soup is ready just like that. Some people like to add plantain or yam to their pepper soup, but I like mine this way. Some people even eat their pepper soup with rice. Some people, they say it's delicious, but I don't have the boldness to try it yet. Okay, guys, I know that you like this video. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, drop your comments and check out my channel for other recipes as well. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.